Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this gorgeous Ford Focus 2 litre EcoBlue Vignale Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 21,695 miles and it's finished in the colour Blue Panther. It's an incredibly stylish looking, well equipped hatchback. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. You do have keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You also have the pop-out door guards, protecting your doors from bumps nicely. In the boot you'll find 273 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,250 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous black leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Up top you do have the panoramic sunroof that floods the interior with heaps of natural lighting. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat. You've got full electric adjustment. On the steering wheel here you'll find your adaptive cruise control. To the right you've got controls for the display in the instrument cluster. You've got a full digital display here as your instrument cluster, including your digital dials. You can access trip information on the display here. You also have additional menus, including access to your audio, navigation, telephone. You also have some vehicle and system settings here. You do have your driver assist features, including your pre-collision assist, lane keeping system. You also have your blind spot monitoring system and even road sign recognition. You can also make other adjustments here as well. You do have the heads-up display which shows you vehicle information on the road, keeping you nice and concentrated. In the centre of the dashboard here you do have your touchscreen infotainment system, providing access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There's also USB and Bluetooth for playing your own music. Your audio is played through the B&O sound system that you have throughout the interior. Moving on, the system does come with Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You also have navigation to ensure you're never lost. The system does also feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you well connected with your smartphone. In the settings here you've got system and vehicle settings available to you. You even have ambient lighting throughout the interior with a selection of colours to choose from to add a nice personal touch. The vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera, and there is also park assist to make parking as easy as possible for you. You've got the choice of park out, parallel and perpendicular parking. Below you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. You also have heated front seats and steering wheel for keeping you warm on those colder days. Below you'll find your wireless phone charger, USB connectivity and a 12-volt socket. Your automatic gear selector here in the centre. Behind this you'll also find some buttons, including your driving modes. You've got normal, eco and sport, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.